to clean and look after your Phonak hearing aids. This is showing you with the Phonak Audéo hearing aid that uses the Phonak Cerushield disc. So if you've got this disc, you're in the right video. If not, we've got another one for you. With regard to these, obviously keeping on top of your hearing aids is the best thing for you. Okay, we've got to make sure they're nice and clean. The dome on the end here is your first line of defense against any wax or ingress into the hearing aid. There's actually a little nipple over the end with a hole that goes all the way through. If that gets clogged up, then that stops the hearing aid working. So giving that a gentle wipe over with a tissue is usually enough on a day-to-day basis. It's also worth once a month or so getting yourself a little brush, which should have been supplied with your hearing aid, and your microphone apertures on the back of the hearing aid. On this particular hearing aid you've got two, one on either side and one on the bottom. Just get your brush and just lightly brushing over just to get any of that dirt and dust off there, okay? And it's as simple as that. But every now and again, if you're finding that your hearing aid has stopped working or the sound has reduced somewhat, it's going to need a bit more of a clean. In that case, we need to remove the dome off the end. So remove the dome off there and place that to one side. If you then look in the end here, okay, you've got your wax trap, which is the little white part in the end there. If you can see the white part, then it's pretty clear, okay? If not, then it's blocked up with wax and it's going to need to be changed. It's a simple process. You get your Cerushield disc here, and around the outside you've got a recycle bin with a number 1. That's if we twist this round, so using your finger and your thumb, you twist it round. You've then got number 1 is empty and number 2 has got your replacement in. Get your receiver, okay, and push that directly into number 1 and you will feel a click and hear a click. And as you pull that back out, you'll have your old one is there, and when you look into the end, there's nothing in there. We've then got to replace it with number 2, which is your new one. So again, keeping that nice and straight, pushing it in, you'll feel a click, and as you pull it back out, it's swallowed the new one into there, and that's changed your wax trap. Then get your new dome, and you'll see that on the back there's a slightly bigger hole. Push that into the end, and that's enough to clean it over. And that's your hearing aid completely serviced.